Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. मैं पिछले बहुत समय से आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को ट्रैक करता हुआ आ रहा हूँ. जो रिटर्न आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट स्टॉक्स ने अर्निंग्स में दिखाई या ग्रोथ इन स्टॉक्स में दिखाई, वो अपने मॉडर्न एज का एक सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है. Now, the question is, these all companies need more funds through equity, through PP model, through debts. Now, if the equity is increased, for example, if the companies are able to deliver 30% now and equity or the debt is increased, then there will be a question that will the return on equity or return on the capital employed will be the same or matchable. That is a big question now. There is always a transit period when the funds will pumped in the companies. Immediately we may not see the results. So that transit period may be really challenging. For the next 2-3 quarters, there can be a good performance. But after that, when there will be increases in the size of equity or increase the size of debt, how they will be able to match the earnings. Say, if I talk about 7 years from now, I'm confident because in transit period there can be a problem, but after that transit period is over, then there will be lot many products which will be able to generate the funds. But now the next 6 to 9 months, we need to watch closely all these AI stocks, especially those who are going outdated or those have pumped in a huge capital in the company. ये दो फैक्टर्स के ऊपर अगर आप ध्यान रखेंगे तो आई थिंक वी विल बी एबल टू आंसर आगे मार्केट किस तरफ मूव करने वाली है. विद दीज वर्ड्स, लॉट्स ऑफ लव, ब्लेसिंग्स, हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग, हैप्पी इन्वेस्टिंग. नेक्स्ट वीक I will be able to cover much more in detail, and 2, I will give you a good news. Love and blessings to all my students.